Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to run your Flutter app on an Android device using Android Studio. This will help you test your app on a real phone instead of an emulator. Let's get started. First, you'll need to activate developer options on your Android device. Go to your phone settings, scroll down and find About Phone. Tap on it and look for Build Number. If you don't see it, you might have to tap on Software Information first. Tap on the build number 7 times in a row. This will unlock developer options. Once that's done, go back twice to the main settings menu and you'll see developer options appear. In developer options, make sure it's turned on. Then scroll down to the debugging section and enable USB debugging. You'll need this to connect your phone to your computer. After enabling USB debugging, confirm any prompts that appear. Now, connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable. Once connected, your phone might show a prompt asking if you want to allow USB debugging from your computer. Tap OK to authorize it. Next, you'll need to verify that everything is set up correctly. Open your terminal or command line and type Flutter Doctor. This command will check your Flutter installation and make sure there are no problems. In this video, we will be ignoring the Visual Studio Not Installed error as we are using Android Studio instead of Visual Studio. You'll want to make sure there are no errors or warnings, especially related to the Android device. After everything checks out, open Android Studio. In the top bar, you should see your device listed as an available option. Select your real device and then click the Run button to launch your Flutter app on your phone. Running your app on a real device is faster and doesn't slow down your computer like an emulator would. Once you click Run, your app should start on your phone. If your device doesn't show up in Android Studio, open your terminal and type Flutter Devices. This will list all the devices Flutter recognizes. If your device isn't listed, try reinstalling your USB drivers or toggling USB debugging off and on again in your phone settings. Another common issue is Flutter not detecting the Android SDK. If you see this error in Flutter Doctor, go to Android Studio settings, search for Android SDK and copy the SDK path. In the terminal, type Flutter config, Android SDK, then paste the path you copied. This should fix the issue. If you haven't accepted the Android licenses yet, you can also do that by typing Flutter Doctor Android licenses in the terminal. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.